Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to update software on TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. Your software should be updated regularly as long as there are any updates available to make sure that you have all the newest features, but also some security fixes and some improvements that will ensure that your phone is secure and works smoothly. Let's go to the settings in order to adjust it. In the settings, you will be able to scroll all the way down and go to System, then find System Update, and now click on Online Update. In my case, the system is up to date, so I don't have to update, but if there was an update available, it would tell you that, and you could click on download and install. Then it will start downloading. You can use the phone in the meantime, and then it'll tell you you need to restart your phone in order to apply the update. Once you do it, it will take a little longer than a typical restart, and after that the update will be applied. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.